Dear children, welcome to social science class. Today we discuss rotation and calculation of time. Here one extract from Padira Suryante Nattil, the famous travelogue by the renowned author S.K. Pottekkatt. I looked at the clock, it was showing 12. The air hostess announced that we should set all our watches back by 5.5 hours. As per our watches, it was 5:30 Indian Standard Time. One should say the aircraft was flying towards the west, literally following our Indian Standard Time. We had to turn back the hands of our watches every now and then accordingly. The famous traveler Padira Suryante Nattil. Aren't you now convinced that time other countries is different from the time of India? Let us examine the reason behind. പല രാജ്യങ്ങളും പല സമയങ്ങളാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നെ അറിയാം, യുവർ relatives or work in different abroad, different foreign countries, the time were they're different. Let us examine the reason behind this difference. In ancient period, time was calculated based on the apex position of the sun and the length of the shadow cast by the sunന്റെ പൊസിഷൻ അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് ടൈം കണക്കാക്കിയിരുന്നത്. when the sun is vertically overhead, it is noon. vertically over top side, it is noon, 12 o'clock. Thus the time estimated at each place is based on the position of the sun is termed local time. Based on the time position of sun, calculated different time, different place is called local time. Thus the time estimated at each place based on the position of the sun is termed as local time. Here one picture. The midnight sun, പാതിരാ സൂര്യൻ്റെ നാട് എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ്. The sun shines even at midnight. Not for a single day, but for 6 months throughout in Arctic and Antarctic circle. Average 6 months means പാതിരാത്രിയിലും വെളിച്ചം ഉണ്ടാവുന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ്. Arctic region 6 months and Antarctic another 6 months. But not think the sun will be a vertically overhead during those days. നേരെ മുകളിൽ നമ്മുടെ തലക്ക് മുകളിലായിട്ടല്ലേ നല്ല വെളിച്ചം ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന രീതിയല്ല ഉള്ളത്. The sun can be seen only on the horizon. നമ്മൾ മോർണിംഗിലും ഒക്കെ സണ്ണിനെ കാണുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള ഹൊറിസോൺ ചക്രവാളത്തിൽ സണ്ണിൻ്റെ വെളിച്ചം ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന രീതിയാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. about 6 months. The remaining 6 months are shrouded in darkness. other 6 months നല്ല രീതിയിലുള്ള ഇരുട്ടാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുക. daylight last only 1 or 2 hours. daylight only 1 or 2 hours. The land will be covered with snow. Human life and limited agriculture here are all scheduled according to the peculiarities of the season. And what will be the hardship if there is a several local time in a country? Different local time ഒരു രാജ്യത്ത് തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പം what are the problem? Cannot prepare a railway timetable applicable throughout the country and cannot give announcement about radio all India radio or different time ഒക്കെ വരുന്ന രീതിയിലേക്ക് വരും. plain time. Calculation of time became more scientific and accurate now. You know that the earth rotates. Here depicted earth picture. Earth rotates its own axis while it revolves. You have also learned day and night occur due rotation. Some factors about, the earth rotates from west to east, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, one day, 24 hours. As the earth rotates from west to east, the sun rises in the east. Earth rotates west to east, നമുക്ക് sun rises in the east. The angular distance of the earth is 360. The earth shape round, the angular distance one circle degree 360. We will get 360 longitude if we draw one longitude each for each degree of angular distance. 360 each 1 degree difference, total 360 degree distance. The time required to complete a 360 rotation is 24 hour. Earth 360 rotation complete ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് 24 hour. On converting 24 hour into minutes, 1 hour 60 minutes, 24 into 60 equal to 1440 minutes. You got total minutes, and that is the time required for completion of one rotation. Total minutes 1440 minutes. The time required for the earth to complete the rotation of 1 degree longitude. At 1 degree longitude complete ആക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എത്ര ടൈം എടുക്കും എർത്ത് 1000 ടോട്ടൽ മിനിറ്റ്സ് 1440 by 360 degree equal to 4 minutes. The time required of the rotation of 15 degree longitude, അപ്പോൾ 1 ഡിഗ്രിക്ക് 4 minute, so 15 into 4 minute equal to 60 minute means 1 hour. 15 degree longitude rotation minute earth take 1 hour. In other words, 15 degree longitude area of the earth passes by sun with a period of 1 hour. 15 degree longitude the earth and sun pass ചെയ്യാൻ എടുക്കുന്ന സമയം 1 hour. As the earth rotates from west to east, time advances towards the east and recedes towards the west. അപ്പോൾ എർത്ത് വെസ്റ്റ് ടു ഈസ്റ്റ് റൊട്ടേഷൻ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈസ്റ്റ് വാർഡിലേക്ക് ടൈം കൂടി വരും, വെസ്റ്റിലേക്ക് കുറവായിരിക്കും. Look at that illustration here. One illustration from the definite longitude. The time is estimated to increase by 4 minutes towards east. Increase here 0 degree longitude 12 noon, and east for 1 degree 12 hour 4 minute pm, and west 11 hour 56 am. Towards west 4 degree and 4 minutes difference toward west and east. Next one is Greenwich and time zone. What is Greenwich line? The 0 degree longitude is known as the Greenwich meridian. 0 degree longitude, you studied latitude. 0 degree latitude is called equator. 0 degree longitude is called Greenwich meridian. North pole to south pole. Connected line is imaginary line is called longitude. It acquires its name from Greenwich, the place where the Royal British Observatory is situated. How got Greenwich that name? It's acquires name. The Royal Observatory, British Observatory situated near London, and through which this line passes. The time is calculated worldwide based on the Greenwich meridian. ലോകത്തിൽ മൊത്തം ഗ്രീനിച്ച് മെറിഡിയനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ടൈം കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ നടത്തുന്നത്. And this line is known as the prime meridian. This line is 0 degree longitude or Greenwich meridian known as prime meridian. The local time of the prime meridian is known as the Greenwich mean time. Based on the Greenwich mean time, the world is divided into 24 zones. 24 zones, 15 degree difference, different 1 hour difference, each with a time difference of 1 hour. These are known as time zones. 15 degree difference, different 24 time zones all over the world. Next, standard time. The local time would be different at each longitude if we start calculated the local time at different places. Local time, each longitude different. Based on the longitude there, it would be created a lot of confusion. To solve this, the local time of at the longitude that passes through the middle of the country is selected as the common time for the whole country. രാജ്യത്തിൻ്റെ മിഡിൽ, ഓരോ രാജ്യങ്ങളും അവരുടെ ലോക്കൽ ടൈം കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് ലോഞ്ചിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ദാറ്റ് പാസസ് ത്രൂ ദ മിഡിൽ ഓഫ് ദ കൺട്രി ഈസ് സെലക്റ്റഡ് ആസ് ദ കോമൺ ടൈം ഓഫ് ദ ഹോൾ കൺട്രി. ഈച്ച് country in the world considered the longitude that passes almost through its middle as the standard meridian, called standard meridian. Middle, consider each country in the world consider the longitude that passes almost through its middle, middle line as the standard meridian. The countries with large longitudinal extent estimate more than one local time by considering more than one standard meridian. Big country longitudinal extent estimate more than one local time by considering more than one standard meridian. Example, Russia, America, more than one more standard meridian. The local time of that standard meridian is the standard time of that country. Local time of that standard meridian is the standard time of that country. Next, Indian Standard Time, IST. In the longitudinal extent of India from 68 east to 97 east. You know India's map, easternmost country, easternmost state is Arunachal Pradesh, and westernmost state is Gujarat. Longitudinal difference 68 to 97, near 28-degree longitude difference. The 82.5-degree east longitude, which passes almost through the middle of this longitude, has been fixed as the standard meridian of India. Almost middle, Allahabadilude povunna 82.5-degree middle longitude, which passes the middle of the country, is of this longitude has been fixed as the standard meridian of India. The local time along this longitude is generally considered as standard time of India. This is known as Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Line, 82.5-degree longitude base. Okay, thank you.